It's a Times Now exclusive. BJP MP Ram Jethmalani has wrote a letter to Nitin Gadkari asking the party to make Narendra Modi the party's prime ministerial candidate. Let's listen into what Ram Jethmalani had to say in a conversation with my colleague Anand.
Mr. Jethmalani, you believe that Narendra Modi should be made the prime ministerial candidate by the BJP?
Yes, I have said so. That's my opinion. And I go further and I say that every political party which wants to have the power in this country must be prepared to announce the name of its prime minister in advance and perhaps even a shadow cabinet. I have gone further that so far as the BJP is concerned, they must at least say to the public that 1/3 of the cabinet will be drawn from non-party experts who are known for their ability and intellectual great integrity and intellectual ability, and that they will be the party's ministers, and Rajya Sabha is meant for such people.
Mr. Jethmalani, have you discussed this at the appropriate party forum? Is the BJP top brass and the leadership aware of your opinion? Have you discussed it with them?
But listen, I was supposed to attend a meeting on the 27th of September. Unfortunately, I couldn't attend it because I got late in court and I had to take a flight out of India. And that's why I wrote this letter and sent it to Mr. Nitin Gadkari, and it was delivered to him. And I have written to him that whenever I can, I'd like to discuss these matters with you. The letter contains many other things. Kindly get a copy of that letter and look into it.
Mr. Jethmalani, have you considered the acceptability of Mr. Narendra Modi as the prime ministerial candidate from the BJP within the allies of the NDA?
Yes, I personally think that he is head and shoulders above many people in terms of integrity, in terms of efficiency. The only thing is that by a result of a very false and malicious propaganda, a stain has stuck to him that he is communal, and that stain is capable of being washed by proper propaganda and disclosure of what has happened in Gujarat.
But do you believe it is appropriate to make this announcement or carry forth this opinion even before the Gujarat elections happen? That's just round the corner, Mr. Jethmalani.
I don't do things which I don't consider appropriate. I mean, I consider them appropriate, others may disagree, and that is democracy is all about.
Should the BJP be worried about its key ally, the JDU, Mr. Jethmalani?
No, you ask the BJP. I mean, in expressing my opinion about political matters, I don't care what other leaders think. The other leaders will disown me. That's all that will happen.
Mr. Jethmalani, is it true that you have written a letter to the BJP president, the party president Nitin Gadkari, about corruption?
Yes, I told you that I have written a letter on 27th of September.
No, I'm talking about the issue of corruption within senior leaders.
Well, yeah, I have written something about corruption also.
Could you elaborate a bit and tell us what is it, the content?
Why don't you get a copy of that letter from my office? My office will give it to you in 2 minutes.
We will get that copy, Mr. Jethmalani, but it would be nice if you could just share some of the content as to what are the concerns that you have raised.
Well, I told you one. One, I have said very clearly that every political party should announce who the prime minister is going to be. And you can't leave people guessing about it. And parties should have the courage what you are really telling them is that don't worry about it. We will find out some way of finding out the prime minister after the elections are held. According to me, this is leaving people in a state of uncertainty, and it is not even honest.
Mr. Jethmalani, have you discussed this? You said you missed the meeting on the 27th, but have you discussed this with other BJP leaders? Do you find more support within the party for your view?
I discussed it with many people, but I will not tell you who those people are, nor will I tell you what their opinions are, because I don't wish to embarrass anybody else. At the moment, it is my opinion, and I want it to be discussed by the whole party.
Mr. Jethmalani, there is talk that perhaps the BJP president himself has got some growing ambitions. Your view on that?
Well, I personally think that I will prefer Modi.
And do you think he will have the support within the party lines also, since you have been speaking to a lot of the leaders? Does he have the majority support in terms of his candidature as Prime Minister?
I personally think that we have no choice.
Why do you believe so, sir?
Now, why do I believe so? That I personally think that he is a blessed person. Those political parties, most political parties in England decide who their future Prime Minister is going to be. They do it always, but why do they think that he is a blessed person?
Mr. Jethmalani, have you spoken to Mr. Narendra Modi himself? Have you shared your opinion with him?
I don't have to. But he knows about the letter. And he hasn't contradicted me anyway. And I hope not.
Do you believe he himself would want to be the next Prime Minister if elected, and if BJP does get the mandate in the 2014 elections?
Well, if he doesn't want to be, nobody can compel him. But I don't see why he should not accept that honor.